Now, children, I am doing question number 11. Now, this is another good question, and again, the technique is to be understood how to do the proving step. You have to be very careful while doing the proving step because only algebra and the knowledge of exponents is involved here. Whatever you have learnt in your lower classes, that is how you do the simplification. But somehow many of you, while doing questions in examination, get stuck with proving step. You only write first two steps and that gives you simply 1 mark in the question. Don't expect more than 1 mark in the question if you don't write the proving step, because major portion of the question or the solution is proving step only. Now, this is question number 11. The question goes like this: 5 plus 15 plus 45 dot dot plus 5 into 3 to the power n minus 1 equals to 5 by 2 within bracket 3 to the power n minus 1. Hence, we have to prove this by induction. Again, as usual, we'll go on with the basic step. Put n equals to 1, left hand side becomes 5, first term. And right hand side will be 5 by 2 within bracket 3 to the power 1 minus 1, that is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 gets cancelled, you are getting 5. So left hand side and right hand side both are equal, therefore T1 is true or T1 holds. Now assumption step, let Tk be true. If Tk is to be true, we will write a statement as follows: 5 plus 15 plus 45 plus 5 into 3 to the power k minus 1. On the left hand side, replace n by k and do the same on the right hand side. 5 by 2 within bracket 3 to the power k minus 1 be true. Now comes the proving step. We will make use of first two steps somehow in simplification so as to complete the proving step. Now for n equals to k plus 1, t of k plus 1 left hand side is 5 plus 15 plus 5 into 3 to the power k minus 1. Up to kth term we all know. Now k plus 1th term, if you have to write, you have to replace n by k plus 1, and when you replace k plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled and you are getting 5 into 3 to the power k. I hope this last term is very clear to you. Now comes the simplification. Now looking at the right hand side, you already know that we want 5 by 2 common. Now what will you do is, first thing is replace the first k terms by summing up by tk 5 by 2 within bracket 3 to the power k minus 1, and last term is 5 into 3 to the power k. I hope this expression is very clear. Simplification is not very complicated. Now comes the next step. Take 5 by 2 common, because you already see that 5 by 2 is common here on the right hand side with the complete expression. So 5 by 2, if you take common from the first term, you are getting 3k minus 1 plus 3k. 5 by 2 you have taken common, so 5 is already there, but 2 is not here, so you will have to multiply by 2. Please note the step. Now comes the crucial step. First term 5 by 2 within bracket 3k minus 1, no change, plus 3k into 2. Now replace 2 by 3 minus 1. This is very crucial because we don't require 2 in the numerator. Now open the bracket, simplify the bracket. 3k minus 1 plus 3k into 3 can be written as 3k plus 1 minus 3k. Now 3 to the power k minus 3 to the power k will get cancelled. You are left with 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1 within bracket, and 5 by 2 of course is to be multiplied. Hence this is your right hand side, 5 by 2 within bracket 3 to the power k plus 1 minus 1. Therefore t of k plus 1 is proved, because left hand side is coming equal to right hand side, which is the required right hand side from the expression. This implies Tn is true for all n in n by the principle of mathematical induction. So this is the complete proof for question number 11. Please note each and every step and don't copy the solutions, but try to make a sincere attempt to do it yourself. Then only you will grasp the technicality of the question, how to approach the question. Because in examination, you don't have the thinking time. You have to read the question and it should strike to you that you are going to approach the question like this. First two steps, there is no problem. The last step, that is the proving step, is very crucial in every question, and proving is different in different questions. So please go through the complete procedure and make a sincere effort to do these type of questions from the exercise yourself also. I hope you are taking it very seriously and doing your work properly.